I know the title said, thanks for everything, but I'm done. What I really meant was, thanks for everything, but I'm done living with my mom. I got a new apartment, and this whole video is dedicated to you guys and you guys only for getting me here. The internet got me here. I'm gonna just talk to y'all. I'm gonna tell y'all a little story. I don't know, I didn't outline this video. I've made videos for over 10 years and I still don't outline my videos properly. Look, man, this is such a crazy thing for me because I'm still anxious about it and it's a big boy decision. And this move out is sponsored by NordVPN. Let me go read it on a voiceover. This video is sponsored by This video is sponsored by NordVPN. So the other day I wanted to watch grown men playing with balls, but I couldn't. All because Michael Jordan's new documentary, The Last Dance, wasn't available in the United States version of Netflix. But you know where it was available? The United Kingdom. Now, thanks to Corona, nobody could travel, but because of NordVPN, I could skip over a pond and a couple clicks away watch my documentary. See, if you use NordVPN, you could be like me and access all your favorite content from anywhere on the planet. Just use nordvpn.org/dummycodes. Even more than helping you watch grown men play with balls, NordVPN protects you from hackers. So if you're a hipster who works in a blog, at a coffee shop, or a programmer who needs to work anywhere besides the comfort of their cave, Nord will protect your data. So go ahead and visit nordvpn.org/dummycodes. And if you use coupon code dummycodes, you could save up to 70% on a 3-year plan and get 1 additional month free. Things could go wrong for me at any time. That's how my anxiety works. I'm always thinking, what could happen? What could go wrong? But I just want to take this moment in my new apartment to say thank you to every single one of you guys that have supported me since I've made this channel. Since if you've known me from my previous channels, thank you so much. Test 1, 2, you are the first clip I've ever taken in my new apartment, bro. Yo, that's crazy. A little bit of time went by. I have an apartment now. First time I've ever had an apartment. I moved out. I got a maid. She cooks. Wow. I'm gonna make a whole apartment tour thing, but I just wanna, before this video even starts, show you all these rooms. This is my bedroom. The reason this apartment is so empty is because I've never had anything. All I've ever had is my desk and my bed. I'm about to turn 25 in 3 months, and I'm just moving out, right? I'm lucky enough to have a mom who let me just figure it out. And it worked out. I finally have a stable job, doing something I enjoy. But a year ago, completely different story. You guys have seen my sad little video where I talked about mental health. Things will work out. I was broke AF, right? Now I have a nice apartment I'm happy with. I have a job I'm happy with. This is all just a year ago. A year ago I was stressed about everything. Now things are unwinding. My mental health is better, so grind through whatever you're going through, get your mental health right, focus on that goal, and I guarantee you things for you can change within a year. A year sounds like a long time, but it's better than nothing. Listen, it's just a simple fact that I would not have my job right now if it wasn't for you guys subscribing and liking and commenting and, supporting. And if I wouldn't have that, I wouldn't have saved up enough money to feel comfortable enough to move out. I wouldn't have saved up enough money to feel comfortable enough to get a new car because the one I was using wasn't even technically mine. I wouldn't feel comfortable in any situation, especially financially, like I do now. It's weird to say that a year ago, just a year ago, wow, I was broke AF, still living with my mom. Yes, I was broke. I was struggling with my mental health. Oh my God, I was learning how to code, and fast forward a year later, I got a job as a programmer. My mental health is stable enough. I have financial stability. I honestly, those are the 3 things I'm always chasing after. I get the whole dream of becoming rich one day, but I finally feel stable with everything. I feel stable mentally. I feel stable financially. It's just weird. And I never thought I'd get to this point, especially a year down the road. And I just want to say thank you to all of you, because I would really not be here without any of y'all. I'm not one of these people who I'm like self-made, because for me, there's no such thing as self-made. I've technically been working for myself since 2015, contracting here and there, blah, blah, blah. But point is, to me, there's no such thing as self-made, because you always have someone there supporting you. I would not have the free time to make videos if my mom wasn't being like, don't pay rent, figure your stuff out, right? I would not have any type of love for making videos if it wasn't for my stepdad years and years ago getting me my first camera. Even before that, years and years before that, getting me my first skateboard, because that's the only reason I started making videos for skateboard. So it's weird because I could track my whole journey on the internet. I could track from my first ever video to now. I could track all the happy times, I could track all the sad times, but I was making videos because I wanted to just have an outlet. Sometimes I would go months making videos, not even knowing that I was struggling mentally. It's a weird thing having some type of mental health issue, because sometimes you're not even aware that you're going through it. A lot of y'all might be going through your growing phase and you don't even know that you're growing as a person. You just think things are happening randomly. You just think you're reacting to things randomly, but making videos helped me realize, what I want to do with my life in terms of, making movies one day, or in terms of how am I going to contribute to society in some type of way. Young me just wanted to make videos so I could make money. That was the first reason I started uploading videos. Like, I was just like, I see a bunch of, you get it. You see a bunch of famous YouTubers and you're just like, I could do that. Then you learn about, I can make money from this. And then that becomes your focus. And a lot of you guys will lose your passion for doing anything if you're chasing it for money. For me, it became just about just making videos for me over time. That's why I have a bunch of different channels. No matter the size, I will just start a brand new, it's like I just build up a life on some corner of the internet, and then I just disappear, and then my old following finds me somewhere else, and that's just how I've always done it. I'm not gonna do that again, though, because anywho, I just want to say thank you, though. There's not really much else I could add. So some advice for some of y'all. There will be some apartment tour coming along at some point, don't get me wrong, but before that, I just want to talk to y'all and give y'all, I only say y'all when I'm making videos, by the way. I don't say y'all any other time. But I just wanted to talk to you about perseverance, growth. What else can I shove in this video to try to help you guys understand that just sticking to what you're trying to do, sticking to your goals actually does work. Make a solid plan. As I've said before, make a solid plan and try to stick to it to the best of your ability. It's easy every night to be stuck in that cycle where you stay up doing nothing because you just feel like your life is meaningless. I've done that before, and I'm doing that because, I'm struggling with my mental health. And then you're staying up, and then at 2 a.m. you're thinking, I'm going to make a plan. I'm going to wake up being so productive, not realizing you going to bed at 2 a.m. is automatically going to sabotage that because you're going to be too tired to even remember or focus on those goals you set for yourself. So remember, please, please, please take care of how you eat, how you sleep. Those are the main things to get you right for your goals. Once you do that, you start tackling one goal at a time. And remember, you may see to your goal, you're going to have to take a bunch of steps, right? And you might only look at the big steps, like, I'm closer and closer, but appreciate the baby steps. Appreciate the fact that, hey, I've been coding 5 days in a row. That is growth. It's better than 0 days in a row. Appreciate the fact that you even bothered to put in 3 hours in one day for coding or learning something new. Appreciate the fact that, you might have been stuck on a bug for 5 hours, but at least you were trying to solve it instead of giving up in the first 10 minutes and going back to whatever, right? Some of you guys might be 25. I'm turning 25 in a couple months. Some of you guys might be 25. Some of you guys might be 35, but you might be looking at starting a journey and be like, I'm 35 now. I might be 36, 37 by the time I finally get to that goal. But so what? It's better than doing nothing, right? Why do you care about what age you are by the time you get to a specific goal, right? One day I just decided not to go to school anymore. And it's weird because at some point my mom was a teacher, and when she came here, she got her degree in nursing and her master's, and she's a nurse practitioner, or got her nurse practitioner. Point is, she has a master's degree. My brother's dad, He went to Stanford, and I'm pretty sure he has a master's degree too. My brother, smart as hell, still in school. So nobody in my family is considered, dumb or whatever the case is. But it's just, I never expected to not take the not typical route. I never expected to just one day wake up and think, hey, I don't like school for this and this reason. Oh, maybe I don't see myself going to school for this and this reason. But I did it, and it's a scarier way and a scary path because nobody has drawn that out for you, but you have to just stay consistent. The only reason you become successful in school, for example, is because someone drew a path out for you and you stayed consistent following that path. So draw your own path and stay consistent following that path. That's all, man. That's all I gotta say. Damn, that was some good advice, though. Like, whew. I know the title is a little bit clickbaity. Whatever, get over it. There's always going to be one or two people in the channel comments complaining about clickbait. Meanwhile, they never support this channel anyways. Point is, this is my view of clickbait. This is random rant. If I'm going to slightly clickbait my own subscribers, y'all can't get mad because y'all subscribed. Y'all were supposed to watch it anyways, right? If y'all going to watch my videos, watch all the videos. Why you subscribe, So the only people who should be getting mad at clickbaits are people who are not part of this community. But otherwise, I might do an apartment tour. Let me show y'all my living room currently. So now that we're back, that's all. That's all I wanted to say. I'm so sorry that it's echoey in here. More videos are coming out because I have to pay rent now. I need a little bit of extra income for now, but that's okay. I'm glad that I'm in a position where I can make extra income. I'm glad I'm in a position where y'all can help me. So if y'all have any side projects that you want to work on together, or if y'all have any freelance work that y'all need, let me know because I have rent to pay now. But anyways, thank you guys so much. That's it, guys, for me. Thank you guys so much. I don't know how many times I could keep saying thank you because I am that grateful. So I appreciate y'all. I'll see y'all in some future videos. I'm excited. I'm hyped. That means the same thing.